The Men of Might Expo 2026 media launch on the 25th of June 2026 at 9:30 a.m. sponsored and hosted at Coral Cliff Gaming and Entertainment at 165 Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, Montego Bay. The purpose is to raise funds to rehabilitate and beautify the campus grounds impacted by Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. Partner sponsor benefits will be prominent logo placement featured on all Expo banners, flyers, posters and digital promotions alongside media recognition named in press releases, radio mentions and social media campaigns as a partner sponsor committed to campus beautification. The Men of Might Expo 2026 on the 16th of October 2026 will take place at Cornwall College Football Pavilion on campus. Premium booth space reserved in the exhibition area in a high-traffic location, ideal for networking and showcasing products, services. Special recognition during the opening ceremony and closing concert featuring fine artist, lead singer of the Third World Band, Reggae Walk of Fame inductee and Reggae Ambassador AJ Brown. Commemorative plaque awarded as a partner sponsor of Men of Might Expo 2026, symbolizing their role in preserving Cornwall College's heritage. Campus legacy contributions earmarked directly to Cornwall College for landscape rehabilitation and maintenance of the Cornwall College grounds, ensuring visible, lasting improvements after the impact of Category 5 Hurricane Melissa last October. Why partner sponsorship matters. This tier sits above gold, signaling a deeper commitment to the cause and offering maximum visibility during Homecoming Week, October 11th to October 18th. It is ideal for major corporate partners or alumni enterprises that want to leave a legacy on the campus grounds while gaining strong brand exposure. As a reminder, the Men of Might Expo 2026 media launch on the 25th of June 2026 at 9:30 a.m. is sponsored and hosted at Coral Cliff Gaming and Entertainment at 165 Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Your presence and committed donation are welcome with love.
Just some little words of wisdom, alright. To lead your lives to freedom, freedom especially, yeah. Just some little words of wisdom, alright. To lead your lives to freedom. Don't listen to me. Don't watch and expect any dumb place. You can do all you say. Shoulder to the wheel and I'm sure you will feel this in some point. Learn a little more about being famous so you can later know you say. Emancipate yourselves from the black slavery. Hold up, Dad! I yesterday in the studio. I used to Major Mackerel now and forward and I say I great to sing Nini Bam.
People, it's AJ Brown and you have a crown. Arthurwell, no respect, and your artist, but the boss Arthurwell them want it again. So you have to say it again. AJ Brown.
Just a little words. Big up Arthurwell, don't bring up. Someone without taking the place, like a sound without blues. That kind of sound can never bear no fruit. No, before you kill a broad, you got to learn to kill a yard. Self-empowerment, a strictly dollars and cents. Just some little words of wisdom. That's what we need. To lead your lives to freedom, freedom of expression is the day. Just some little words of wisdom, freedom. To lead your lives to freedom. Listen up. Watch and expect to be the place. Do all you say. Just put your shoulder to the wheel and I'm sure you won't be opposite. Someday. Learn a little more about to being famous, to later know you say. Emancipate yourself from your place. slave of me. Music time, just some little words of wisdom. That's right, people. Ask you, you know, speech, yeah. Just some little words of wisdom. Ask you, yeah. It's a pleasure to be here. You want one, shout out love, you want one, boom it, shout out love, here's your girl, pull up. This is my new album. This is taken from the new album, Shots of Love, AJ Brown. So check it out. Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music. You can download it right now if you so desire. See? Seems like the end times we're living in. We won't entertain our thoughts of living in. Yeah, that's right. When you fall off, get back up and run. Yeah. New music you listen to them. Seems like the end times we're living in. We won't entertain our thoughts of giving in. Yeah. That's right. When you fall off, get back and rise. Laugh out loud and to every cry. Living in the now is a great way how you discover the meaning of life. Be aware of who you are. Gotta be conscious of it too. When you're shining like the sky, like a remember of your crew. Everybody has a past. May yours be filled with no regrets. Better know the right things now. If you fall off, laugh out loud, answer every cry. Living in them now is a great way how to appreciate the meaning of life. This is what we know. This is why we grow. This is how we flow. When we're moving on the wave, stepping on the wave, riding the wave of life. For every mistake that you made, it should never be the same. For everything you do or say, you should never be ashamed. Keep in love within your heart, and love will be a guiding light. Keep knowing what is right. When you fall off, get back on the right. Laugh out loud, after every cry. Living in the now is a great way how to discover the meaning. Pull up the one now. Yeah, move on enough. They know now soaking them tune here, so watch out. You might remember this one, yeah, but you never heard it in reggae. I sat in this old day before on some other night yesterday. But it's the way it always was. But the way it was is just a fantasy. Yeah. I laughed at so old joy come through when I lose my
What a nice. H.J. Brown, you have the crown. My father, my God, that's right. Oh yeah, you've been my father all as long as I've been. Let me tell you something. None greater than the Most High. Put things on paper. My father, my God, that's right. Oh yeah. You've been my father for as long as I can remember. Father, put up. We don't say Metro Media now, Miss Yetta. So I'm not singing for them. I'm Metro Media the bouncer. That's right. Listen up. You've been killing some boys for as long as I can remember. Metro Media to the end. Metro Media's my friend, a friend for all eternity. Killing the sound boy for me, yeah. Sound boy, your home will be rough and rocky. No matter beg mercy, Metro Media strong with the blessings and true with your mercy. Always be my father, my friend. Metro Media, the killing machine. That's right, however you move me. You know some of that? Big up! Rasta boy element. Give thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, want to sing a bar.